Hello guys, I welcome you once again, especially to Traders Delight. This is your amazing channel where you get wonderful content on trading strategies, trading reviews, and passive income. If you are new, I welcome you specially. You have found your one-stop channel for amazing content on trading strategy. I encourage you strongly to subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell. I'm telling you, a lot of contents are coming your way, and you can scroll through the channel. A lot of amazing value you can get from there, from all the videos. For the old subscribers, thanks for always liking the videos. Please like this video right now so that the algorithm can push this video viral, and then a lot of people can benefit from it. Today I want to share the review of a trading activity that we took, a signal that we took in the VIP signal group sometimes some like a month ago or so. It was an amazing time in the VIP signal group where we made 4,000 pips on that signal, and it was really amazing because before the signal we had made a previous 800 pips or thereabout. I think 790 or 800 pips, and it was really amazing. And we are still making quite a number of pips like that in this VIP signal group. So I strongly encourage you to join this VIP signal group because it's cheap, and we work together. I try to make it not business as usual. I don't want to go with a convention. So immediately you come in, after you have shown interest, the first thing that I do is to train you. I train you on how to use our unique risk management system, and also give you a profitable training where you understand the whole gist about trading. I'm telling you, trading can be like a game, and it's just a mindset. Once your mindset is right, I'm telling you, you become profitable while you trade. And if you can follow the instructions, I'm telling you, that's all about trading. So trading is not supposed to be viewed as something like very difficult thing. Okay, so guys, before we took this, was a trade on Boom 1000, and before we took the trade, we first of all took a buy signal, where we went from, we took a buy signal, and we got almost 790 from that signal. And after we exited and the market formed, then we started milking the market the other way around, which is one of the beautiful things about trading. Once you understand what the market is saying and you let the market direct you, the market is, you are not to invent your own market. You cannot influence the market to go the way you want it to go. The market is working on mass psychology. So the best way of trading is to understand what the market is doing and let the market itself direct you on where you should go. And this is exactly what we do in the signal group. We don't claim to be 100%, but all the time we keep working tirelessly to make sure that we are as close to 100% as possible. We can go sometimes a week, 2 weeks without having any trade go against us. Why? Because we try to put in effort to ensure that we are as close as to 100% as possible. So let me show you the result of that buy signal that we took on 1000 before we now started the one that went as far as 4000, and that was a sell signal. Okay guys, this is one of the, I actually sent this screenshot into our Telegram channel, the public channel, and it was amazing. You can see the signal. This was when we hit 790 pips on the signal. It was an amazing time, very beautiful, amazing. I think that was around November or so. An amazing time this indeed. And then we were preparing. This is among several other signals where we made 250, 350, 300, 400, depending. I'm just speaking this because of the explanation I want to give as regards this. And then the results, let's go for the result on on the one that we had that almost hit. Okay, just hold on. All right, this is it. I had to go through the pinned messages because sincerely there are a lot of messages on the channel. I'm telling you, I drop a lot of things which you're going to be motivated, inspired, and you're going to see results. And I encourage you strongly that if you're watching this, take that decision this year. 2022 must be a great year for you. Join the VIP Signal group, build up your equity, build it up very, very, very well so that you can have a profitable year. So you can see on that particular signal, there were several signals, several entry points. There are like 4 entry points. You can see this was when we hit 3,095 pips on this signal, 3,095 pips on this signal, and then it went further down, and it was really amazing. This was the last one I remember taking screenshot on, and then everybody were really swimming in profit. And let me show you how the signal came to be, and then how we entered and began to pick it. So guys, the signal, I think we started taking the signal from somewhere here, not too sure again, from somewhere here, and then we kept riding the market. You can see the total number of pips that is here. You can see this is incredible. This is incredible. You're looking at almost 1,000. This is 1,900 pips, and we just kept maximizing it. In fact, at a point, I believe we could have even gone even more to maximize it even further. But that's why I love what we do in our group, because the group is established on discipline, because we have a risk management system that guides us. We don't over leverage our account. We place trades based on the risk management system that we have, and that is why we don't go greedy. We are disciplined with what we do, and that's what helped us to keep milking the market the way we did. And that's why we keep making it even the way we are doing right now. You can see a trade is running currently, and then we keep taking advantage of the market. If you are watching this, like this video right now and show your support by subscribing. Also make that decision, come and join the signal, a VIP signal group, and boost your equity for the year. Don't wait until the year is ended, and don't wait until a new year starts, and then you make your resolutions now, make your determinations now that 2022 is going to be a financially good year for you, financially good for you, and you're going to increase in all your trading results. Okay, so it was really a very wonderful time, and I hope you have learned quite one thing or the other. So we picked it, and when this particular one formed, I told them in the group, I said, I see a cloud of abundance of rain about to fall. And I'm telling you, it was really abundance of rain. The rain began to fall heavily on 1,000, and we kept milking it and milking it and milking it. And then you saw the result. I screenshotted, sent it to the group, and said it was an amazing, incredible time. So opportunities like this come in the market, and several are still coming because the market keeps moving. The market is like a game. Trading is like a game. You can't just take a game and say you are playing a game and you want the game to do what you want. No, you have to understand what the game entails and what the game need, and how to play the game. That is how you increase from level to level. So, and the more you build the culture and habit of following the instruction, the more profitable you're going to be when it comes to trading. So that's when you can move from one level to another level to another level, and in trading. And that is one thing we keep doing. We're focused on continual progress in the group. We keep going as close as possible to 100%. We are developing cutting edge systems that's helping us to ensure that we take advantage of the market. So if you are there, you need this kind of system, reach out to me. Go to the description section now and click the link, reach out to me now, so that we can discuss on how you can come into the group. So guys, I hope you get benefit from this video. Several more videos are coming. Several more powerful strategies are coming for those who want to grow their account from their small account to something substantial, so that you can join the VIP Signal group. And I want you guys to prepare for the 20 pips daily challenge. Check the video. I have posted the video. Check it and watch it. Get yourself ready. If you have a small account, just start with like $10. That's all. Grow your account using the approach I shared in the video, and then so that by February you can come and subscribe to the VIP Signal group, and then we go ahead and make several millionaires this year, and you can smile to the bank all the way. All right guys, take care. Like this video, and let me know what you feel about the video in the comment section. Take care. Bye.